Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a review for Rise and Slime Shop. I'll link their shop in the description, and I'm excited because I already opened everything and each slime was wrapped in bubble wrap. I just took that out just to speed up the video. These are the extras. Let's see. There's this cute little squishy cat. I think I've gotten something similar to this before, but this is super fun and squishy. This is their information. Check it out, etsy.com/RiseNSlimeCo. It's this heart-shaped container, and I guess this is Play-Doh. Yeah, that's cute. Really fun, sparkly unicorn lollipop. Unfortunately, it broke during the shipping process, but it still looks very cool. So I'm just gonna grab one of the slimes. This one is called Dragon Fruit Cup, and I believe it's supposed to be kind of marbled, but I think through shipping it might have already mixed a little. But on top of this slime, there's this bag of, I guess, some kind of glitter that you can put inside and some beads. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. May have to activate some of these, but we'll see. Smells really nice. Alright, so far I'm loving this slime. It's so clicky and I love the color, I love the scent. The only thing is there's a little bit of fallout with some of these beads, but that's super minor. But yeah, it's really stretchy and it smells really nice. And it has these, I don't know if you can tell, it has actually some jelly cubes in it, so that just makes it more fun. And it makes it really realistic, just like dragon fruit. The color is really nice. And then the little beads really make it look like it's dragon fruit. And of course the cubes look like the dragon fruit. This one I am super excited about. This is called So Very Sweet. That's such a cute name. And look at these glitters. It looks so pretty. And again, it comes with this bag of extras to put in the slime. And let's see. So this is clear, so it might be a little sticky. I'm gonna go ahead and add some activator. But yeah, this is so beautiful. All right, first of all, this slime smells so good. I don't really know, it's kind of like cotton candy, but not as intense. Yeah, look at all those beautiful glitters in it, and it's so clear. Look at how clear that slime is, but it's also really thick, and that's like my favorite type of clear slime, is like really nice and thick and stretchy and clicky. So this is so pretty with all those glitters. And you can also add even more, and there's that charm. So that is really cute. I would totally recommend this one. I think this one's quite unique, and it's just really a really great texture. All right, this next one is called Eskimo Kiss, and it's a cloud slime charm that's like a winter hat and some glitter. Alright, so this cloud slime is a beautiful color, and I feel like it smells like blue raspberry. Not super sure though. But yeah, there's also some glitter in it. And this is one of like the softest yet stretchiest cloud slimes. So this is awesome. Yeah, I really enjoy the texture of this. It's really plush and really stretchy at the same time. So that's awesome. Last one is a special little treat that I'm really excited about. It is called Shadow Monster, and apparently it's a magnetic slime. And so here's the magnet, I guess, that you can put in it and see how it works. But yeah, they don't normally sell this, but it's magnetic, so that's awesome. So it's a black slime, just kind of like your standard glossy butter slime. So this one's really glossy, and I have the magnet like that, and I guess I'll just put it on here and see what happens. Okay, so here's the magnet. You can see how it literally swallowed the magnet. It didn't just like fall through the slime. It's literally magnetic, like you can feel it. See? I can manipulate it like that. That is really cool. I'm going to put it in the center, and it literally swallows it. So yeah, overall, I just feel like this slime package is super cute, and of course this magnetic slime is quite amazing. I've never really seen anything like it before, so that's really awesome. But yeah, it's really good quality, and I think they really are creative, and I like how each slime, you know, comes with a little package on top with more add-ins and charms. So yeah, check them out. It's RiseNSlimeCo.